A very good morning to all of you. I'm Ritu, your science teacher. Today we will discuss our chapter number 12, that is electricity and circuit. Let's begin the chapter. First of all, what is electricity? Electricity is a form of energy produced by charges. It is a very useful form of energy. What are the sources of electricity? Then the sources of electricity are electric cell, solar cell, dynamo or generator. What happens in electric cell? In electrical cell, chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. In solar cells, solar energy is converted into electrical energy. And what in dynamo or generator? In it, mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. What is electric current? Charge flowing per unit time through the conductor is called electric current, or we can say rate of flow of electric charge is called electric current. This is an electric cell in which chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Have you observed in a cell that there are two terminals, positive terminal and negative terminal? When an electric cell is used up, the electrical cell stop producing electricity. As it is on our watch or remote, then that will stop working. Why it is happened? It is happened because all the energy which is stored in a cell, that is consumed, and now we have to replace it with a new one. When these electric cells are arranged in a series, then they formed a battery. These are the symbols for electric cell: positive terminal, negative terminal. And what in case of battery? In case of battery, there is a series of cells, so it is represented by these symbols. There are some more symbols that are used to denote other things, like cell के लिए this, power supply, wire, bulb, switch. What is electric circuit? A closed path in which current flows is known as electric circuit. Electric circuit comprises of electrical components. And what are these components? These are like cell or battery, bulb, switches and wire. Here we can see that circuit diagram of actual instruments. This is bulb. It is represented in symbol form like this. It is switch. It is represented like this. And this is battery. Direction of current. What is the direction of current? Current always flow from positive terminals to its negative terminal. Now we will read about electric switch. A switch is a simple device that either break the circuit or complete the circuit. Circuits have a switch so that they can be turned on and off. Here we can see a switch. When the switch is on, it closes the gap. Thus the electricity is able to flow through this wire and the bulb glow. But when the switch is off, the path is break, means circuit is not complete. Thus electricity can't flow from this wire and bulb will not glow. Open circuit and closed circuit. What is open circuit? A circuit in which all the electric components are not joined together. There is a breakage in the circuit. and in closed circuit there is no breakage and all electrical components are joined together. This is closed circuit. What is the condition necessary for electric current to flow? First is source of electricity, second closed circuit. Now we will get to know about our last topic of this chapter, that is conductors and insulators. What are these? Conductors are the materials which allow electric current to pass through them are called conductors. Means the material or metal or substance which allow electricity to pass through it are called conductors. For example, iron, copper, nickel, cobalt, these are some conductors. What are insulators? Materials which do not allow electric current to pass through them are called insulators. For example, plastic, wood, rubber, etc. How we get to know that these substances are conductor or insulator? When we put any material or substance about which we want to know that this is conductor or insulator, then we put it in between our circuit. If this is conductor, then it can allow current to pass through it, and as a result bulb will glow. But if it is an insulator, then it don't allow current to pass through it. As a result, bulb will not glow. So it's all about this chapter. I hope you have well understand this lesson. If you have any doubt and query regarding this chapter, then you can ask me. Keep learning. Thank you.